Hello beautifuls, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get this professional makeup look. Basically today I'm going to be going out to do an interview, so I don't want a super dramatic look, but I do want to look professional. So I opted for a pink gold champagne look. I just wanted a little bit of pop of color, nothing too dramatic. No falsies, but just a small cat eye. And also I like to use a little bit of concealer as my whole foundation because I don't want my face to look cakey. I want it to look dewy, and whatever I have on my face, I want it to look very light and minimalistic, as if I don't really have makeup on. And of course, I'm still going to bronze my cheekbones. Although I'm not gonna put too much bronzer on my face like I normally do to hide my double chin and my 5 head. And I'm gonna put on a little bit of blush from my favorite brand, Benefit. And I'll tap on the pink coral color onto my cheekbones, the apples on my cheek. You'll see how I give myself a nose job and give myself plumper lips. None of the lip fillers here, but I could give myself a little bit of Facetune with some makeup. I'm setting my face with Laura Mercier's setting powder in translucent. Just pat it all over my face just to get all the oils out. And of course, I can't forget to highlight my face with Laura Mercier's highlighter, and I'll do that on my cheekbones and my brow bone and the tip of my nose. Also, I'll highlight the cupid of my lips. Sometimes I just like to go over my whole face with a little bit of highlighter, whatever is remaining on the brush. My last step are my eyelashes, give them a little curl and a swab of mascara, and then I move on to my lips for my final transformation look, putting a little bit of pink YSL on my lips with a lip brush, and also a dab of lip gloss. And there you have it, folks. This is my finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and join the family. Give this a big thumbs up, like, smash the bell button. If you guys want more of these videos, make sure to comment below. Sayonara!